Hey there, welcome to today's video. When you order a pizza, go shopping, or even take a trip, you follow a path, right? Well, companies do something similar, but with your experience. This right here is a customer journey map. It's like a treasure map, but instead of gold, helps businesses find ways to make your experience better. The journey with the company starts when you first discover them. Maybe you heard about them from a friend, saw a TV ad, then you make decisions like comparing products or reading reviews. The big moment is when you make a purchase. But wait, there's some more. After the sale, like when you need help, give feedback. At each of the steps, you feel something. It could be happiness if it's easy, maybe confusion if it's not. Companies want to know how you feel because they want to make you happy, right? Imagine trying to order your favorite pizza, but the website is slow and you can't find your topping options. Frustrating, isn't it? These are called pain points. And businesses wants to fix them. Now, picture a pizza place where the website is super fast and you can customize your pizza easily. Happy customer, right? That's what business wants. More happy customers. So, why does all this matter? When business create a customer journey map, they can see where you're having a tough time and make things smoother. That means you're satisfied and they get to keep you coming back for more. It's a win-win. You get a better experience and the businesses gets to grow. That's why customer journey mapping is a big deal. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun explanation. See you on the next journey. Take care.